A long time ago, there lived an old man in a village. He was constantly worried about his son. Why? Because his son didn't want to do any work. Instead, he would roam around the village all day, playing and wasting time. One day, the old man decided to teach his son a lesson. So he called him and said, "Go inside the house. In the cupboard, there's a watch. Bring it to me." The boy went inside, found the watch in the cupboard, and brought it to his father. Then the old man said, "Now take this watch to the market. Ask everyone you meet how much they would pay for it." The boy went to the market with the watch. He showed it to everyone he saw and asked them its price. Some said 300 rupees, some said 500, and a few even said 1,000. Everyone gave a different value. The boy returned home and told his father, "I asked many people in the market. Some said 500, some said 300, and a few said 1,000 rupees. The old man said, "All right, now put the watch back in the cupboard and go about your day." The next day, the father called his son again and asked him to bring the same watch. The boy brought it from the cupboard. Then his father said, "Go to the market again, but today don't ask for the price of the watch. Instead, ask people the value of the time showing on this watch." The boy was confused. He didn't understand what his father was trying to do, but he still went to the market, feeling a bit embarrassed. He asked people the value of the time shown on the watch. Most people looked at him strangely. Some laughed at him. Some thought he had lost his mind. Yesterday, he came asking for the price of the watch, and today he's asking the value of the time on it? People made fun of him, and many shooed him away. The boy became upset and started wondering what was going on. Finally, he approached an elderly man who was busy with his work. But when that old man heard the boy's question, he immediately understood what the boy was trying to ask. He stopped what he was doing, smiled and said, "My son, the time you are asking about, its value cannot be measured. Even if you had crores, millions of rupees, you could not buy back a single second of your life. That's why you must use your time wisely." He continued, "Time has both a good and a bad side. The bad side is, it never stops, it keeps passing. But the good side is, how you use that time is entirely in your hands. Every person has 24 hours in a day, whether rich or poor. What you do with those 24 hours is what makes all the difference. So you must keep track of every moment and be aware of how you're spending your time. Because once a moment is wasted, you can never get it back." Hearing this, the boy had tears in his eyes. He began to reflect on all the time he had wasted in life. He felt deep regret. But from that moment onward, a great change came over him. He went back to his father, returned the watch, and shared everything that had happened. From that day, the boy's life completely changed. Dear friends, it is said that time is free for everyone, but it is also the most valuable thing in the world. You can't buy time. You can't hold on to it. Time in a flowing river, neither can be stopped. But you can choose how you use your time. If you waste it once, you can never get it back. So, will you start using your time wisely from today? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Stay well, stay healthy. Bye for now. See you in the next video.